Working with JAWS PDF Creator and have JBS Bookmark files for navigation. These define document bookmarks for PDF generation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these JAWS PDF bookmark files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming. And it features my favorite single JBS file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. A .jbs file stores user-created bookmarks and annotations for a corresponding PDF document created by JAWS PDF Editor. This file allows users to save their navigation points and comments separately from the original PDF, enabling them to share or back up their work without modifying the source file. The .jbs file is a proprietary data file, likely using a structured binary or XML format. This design separates user metadata from the core PDF content, a common strategy to prevent corruption of the original PDF and allow the bookmark data to be loaded on demand, improving performance for large documents. We recommend using JAWS PDF Editor by Global Graphics to ensure proper reading of JBS. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. Initiate the search for the correct opener. Right-click your JBS file and select Open With. Your best bet is JAWS PDF Editor. If you see it, use it. If not, cycle through the remaining options. If your JBS file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, using with JAWS PDF Creator. Install JAWS PDF Creator from Global Graphics or compatible JAWS PDF software. Configure the application to apply JBS bookmark files during PDF generation. The bookmark structure appears in the resulting PDF's navigation pane, enabling readers to jump to specific document sections through the bookmark hierarchy. Next, editing bookmark structure. Open JBS Files in a text editor to view and modify bookmark definitions. Adjust bookmark labels, page references, hierarchy levels, and view settings. Save changes and apply the updated JBS file in your next PDF generation. This enables fine-tuning bookmark structure without regenerating the entire PDF document. Finally, converting to PDF bookmarks. For PDFs already generated without bookmarks, use Adobe Acrobat Pro or PDF editing tools to add bookmark structure manually based on JBS content. Open the PDF in Acrobat, use the Bookmarks panel, and create entries matching JBS specifications. This retrofits navigation into existing PDFs without regeneration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.